That's all you hear around the city. All these loud noises. I guess it has to be done. SEPTA is doing something down there. I don't know what they're doing. But it's very noisy. Every day. It's the same time. It's hard to hear someone speak in the house or in the building because of the noise. I know it has to be done, you know, they have to fix things, get the job done, but at the same time, real noisy. You can't watch television or put on music or even hear yourself talk. For many hours, all you hear every day until they finish. All around the city, you see city workers making noise like that. Same thing. It's irritating and noisy, but like I say, it's got to be done, I guess. Very noisy. Believe me. I tried watching a program on television. Very hard. You have to put up the volume very loud on the television. There's too much noise. All around the city you hear this. If it's not the motorcycles and the scooters making noise at nighttime and people complaining about the sound, it's the daytime when the workers are working. Look at it. Oh well, what can you do? They have to do their jobs, I guess.